If you are using the web version of diagrams.net and you're working with the file right here, then what happens is that the file keeps on getting auto-saved from time to time. Meaning what happens is that everything gets saved, and then also it creates something called a version history. And to access that version history, you can go around onto the top where you see the last change message. You can click on this to access the version history, or you can go to the file menu and then go around over here onto revision history from over here as well. So once you go around over here, this is what you see, as you can see right here. So you see that everything is blank right here, and this is the current version. But if I were to go around and click some other time right here, then you can see this right here. And you can see the before and after by clicking on this as well, and see even the XML code right here. Let me just cancel this out. So let me just go around on to the beginning right here, and you can see that this is the first version. And if you want to open this out or restore, then you can see these options right here. Restore will replace it out over here in the open document. But if I were to click on open, then it opens up another version, as you can see right here, in another window that is untitled diagram. And this is what you have, as you can see right here. So now this is a separate file. But if you want to restore it into a previous version, you can select out, let's say, for example, a file right here, just like this. Click on restore and say OK. And what happens is that it'll get restored out on that particular version for that particular file on the test project that I have right here, as you can see. So that is how you can work around with revision history inside of diagrams.net. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.